choice.
Today, we are going to talk about how to make the most important post-holiday reset. The first 14 days after New Year are the key to getting back on track with your energy, your appetite, and your habits. In this video, you will receive a clear and simple plan for the first 2 weeks. You will learn how to restore hydration and electrolytes, how to reset your sleep so your appetite hormones work in your favor, how to structure meals with more protein and fiber for better satiety, how to reintroduce movement without burning out, and how to clean up your kitchen environment so you eliminate temptations before they derail you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do starting tomorrow morning. These steps will help you recover from the holiday overload, wake up your metabolism, and build a foundation for real and sustainable weight loss. We begin with hydration because it is the first area where the body struggles after the holidays. Alcohol, salty foods, and irregular eating patterns pull water from your cells and disrupt your electrolyte balance. This leads to fatigue, puffiness, and a tendency to overeat. Dehydration also slows digestion and creates false hunger signals. That is why day 1 starts with a clear hydration goal. Start your morning with a glass of water and a pinch of salt or an electrolyte drink with no sugar. This is not a trend. It is a way to restore the minerals needed for energy, nerves, and muscles. Aim for at least 2 liters of water throughout the day and have a glass of water before each meal. This naturally reduces appetite and helps stabilize your energy. During the first few days, you may notice more frequent bathroom visits. That is part of the process as your body releases retained fluids from holiday eating. The next important area is sleep. If the holidays threw off your rhythm, your body may be running on chaotic signals. Poor sleep increases the hormone ghrelin, which makes you hungrier, and decreases the hormone leptin, which helps you feel full. That is why cravings spike after the holidays. It is not lack of discipline. It is biology. To restore these hormones, follow a simple routine in the first week. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Turn off screens at least 30 minutes before sleep. Avoid alcohol for at least 10 days. Sleep is not optional. It is the foundation that allows your body to lose fat without constant hunger. Before we continue, if this video is already helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support helps this content reach more people and allows me to create more practical guides for your health and goals. Now let us move to the next major topic, protein and fiber. After the holidays, many people try to fix everything with detox drinks or extreme restriction. But your body does not need punishment. It needs consistency. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. It stabilizes blood sugar and supports your muscles. Fiber improves digestion and keeps you full for longer. For the first 14 days, set a simple rule. Include a quality source of protein in every main meal. This can be eggs, poultry, fish, Greek yogurt, or plant-based proteins. Add a serving of vegetables or salad to every meal. The focus is simple. More protein, more fiber, less chaos, less hunger. For snacks, use easy protein-based choices, such as Greek yogurt, a protein shake, or a handful of nuts. Many people believe they must starve after the holidays, but skipping meals leads to rebound overeating. A consistent intake of protein and fiber is far more effective for appetite control and sustainable fat loss. Next comes movement. Not intense workouts, not 2-hour gym sessions. Just steady movement that wakes up your metabolism. Start with walking. 10,000 steps per day is great, but not required at the beginning. The main goal is to rebuild your rhythm. If you work at a desk, take short walking breaks throughout the day. Avoid heavy workouts in the first week. Your body is still recovering from disrupted sleep and heavy eating. Light movement is the smartest start. After day 3, you can add short strength sessions of 10 to 15 minutes. This activates your muscles and boosts your metabolism. Remember, the goal for the first 2 weeks is rhythm, not perfection. Moderate movement reduces stress hormones and helps your body work smoothly again. Now we move to one of the most overlooked but most powerful areas of all, your environment. Your results do not depend on willpower. They depend on the environment around you. If your kitchen is full of tempting foods, your brain stays in a constant battle. The more visual triggers you have, the harder it is to stay consistent. This is why part of your habit detox is cleaning your kitchen. Start by removing or hiding the foods that tempt you most. If you cannot throw them out, place them in containers and store them out of sight. What you see is what you choose. So prepare your countertop with water, tea, fresh fruit, and clean meal prep containers. These small adjustments create big changes. Keep the kitchen organized during the entire 14-day plan. A supportive environment cuts your effort in half. It also gives you more confidence to maintain the new routine. Anyone can make this change starting today. If this video has helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Share which step you plan to start with tomorrow. Your feedback matters and helps me create more effective content for you. Let me finish with an important reminder. The beginning of the year is not a time for guilt. It is a time for structure. Your first 14 days do not have to be perfect. They only need to be steady. Small actions repeated daily create the biggest change. Hydration, sleep, protein and fiber, movement, a clean kitchen. Follow this plan, and you will feel your energy rise, your cravings decrease, and your confidence return. This is your reset.
Support us by liking and subscribing.